Hi everybody, today we're going to review this BGTrend laundry bag. I bought this because I needed a laundry bag for my camper. Also, I bought this brand because I have two other bags that I really liked and I liked the brand of BGTrend, so I got this. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. Alright, let's talk about this bag. First off, the handles. These are aluminum, so they're a little lightweight, but they're wrapped in foam, so it has good cushion on it. Really easy to handle, and it's both on both sides. On the outside, you'll see that it says dark and light. On the other side, it has blank messages, so there's no messages. And within the bag on the sides, there's nothing except a pocket on one side. Overall, it looks nice from the outside. Let's see the bottom. The bottom is just the rectangle, so it's plain and simple, but the dark and light words stand out, so that's pretty awesome. Inside, you'll have the lining. So the lining is basic, I guess, polyester, and there's two pockets or two sides to it. So for your light and the dark. So the material up front, it's canvas. It's like wicker almost, but it's really strong and holds up really, really well. So it's gonna hold up a lot of weight. I feel the durability of this hanger or this area of the bag will carry enough weight of all your laundry. So you're not gonna miss out on it. And it collapses pretty small to what you need, to almost nothing. So yeah. All right, let's measure this bag. I have a tape measure, and it's 25 inches, or sorry, 2 feet in height, 14 inches in width, and let's see the depth, and 11 inches in depth. So that's a good amount of space. And each side is basically half of this. So you'll have, what was this again? 7 inches on each side, basically. So overall, this BGTrend laundry bag is really nice. I like the quality of the material, the way the handles work. They're super lightweight, and the separation between each pocket for dark and light. And it's easy to handle. So overall, it's a great bag for laundry. The lining is really nice inside, and definitely I like the whole entire make and design of this laundry bag. I definitely recommend it. I hope you like this review, and thanks for watching.